my story friends. Today's story is Student of the Year, written by Aarti H. Somewhere far away in India, there was a beautiful village called Palampur. The village was surrounded by mountains on all sides and blue color river ran through the village. People in this village were kind-hearted and innocent. In the same village lived two boys. It's time to meet the first boy. His name was Sharad. His father and mother both worked in a farm. They did not have lot of money, but they were always happy and satisfied. Sharad's parents had taught him good manners. He would say, Baba, I will study a lot and always take care of you. His mother would say, Beta, we are so lucky to have a son like you. We don't want anything else. Sharad would get up early in the morning every day. He would have bath and help his mother with all her household work. His mother would then give him bhakri and jaggery to eat. He would eat the healthy breakfast and then go to school. In the school, teacher would ask, What is the capital of India? Delhi, Sharad would instantly answer. Teachers in the school adored Sharad. He was very sincere in his studies. Sharad, can you please help me with this sum? Riya would say. Sharad would always finish his studies on time and then help other children with their studies. Now, let's meet the other boy. Samar was a very rich boy. His father was a landowner. He owned many farms. Samar was very proud of himself. He would wear only silk kurta and trousers to school. Samar loved to wear gold chains and rings. Ha! I'm so rich. I'm the best. Samar would always boast. Why should I work? He would say. Work is meant to be done by servants. Why should I study if I already have money to buy everything? Ha ha ha. One day, Samar picked up a big stone and hurled at the dog. The dog went whining. Samar started laughing loudly. Samar always did this to animals. He was a very mean boy. He did not care about anyone and anything. Today, teacher called a meeting and told all the children, Children, there is a big announcement. All the children in the school were very excited and they started clapping. The teacher said, Tomorrow is a special day. Some important people are going to come to our school for inspection and they are going to present an award to the best student of our school. Samar came home and told everything to his mother. He told his mother, I am the most richest boy in the school. I will wear my best clothes and wear all my gold chains. Then I will be awarded the best student of my school. Samar started preparing for the big day. Today was the big day. Sharad woke up and helped his mother with the daily chores. He wore clean clothes and went to the school. Summer woke up and started shouting, "Give me cake! Give me cake!" He had cake for the breakfast and got dressed in his most expensive clothes. 1, 2, 3. No, I will wear all of them. Summer wore all his gold chains. He asked his servants to carry his bag. He kept singing, "I'm the best, I'm the best, I am best." When Summer reached school, he kept shouting at his servants, pulled Ria's hair, and threw a few stones at the dogs around. Now Summer was not aware that the inspection people had already reached school and were secretly observing every child. They saw that Sharad was quietly doing his work, helping his friends and teachers. He was also picking up any plastic around to keep the surroundings clean. After some time, the headmaster of the school asked all the children to gather on the ground. She introduced the children to the people who had come for inspection. Summer again started singing, "I'm the best, I'm the best, I am best." And now was the time to present the award for the best student of the school. Summer was very confident that he was going to win. He kept muttering to himself, "I'm the best." And then the judges announced, the best student of the school award goes to Sharad. Summer was so annoyed that he ran away home and complained to his father. His father came to meet the headmaster and started fighting. But the judges explained that Summer is rich and has lot of money. Sharad may not have expensive clothes to wear, but he is neat and tidy. He is the most helpful boy in school. He respects elders and cares about animals and his surroundings. He may not be rich, but he has a kind heart. So, he deserves to be the best student of the school. Summer understood his mistake. Everybody agreed and clapped for Sharad. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Politeness and consideration for others is like investing coins and getting rupees back. You have enjoyed the story. Please like the story and subscribe the channel Stories on Plate.